it's Christmas. Merry Christmas. My mom bought my daughter, she's going to be 4 next month. Well, yeah, still next year. It's called Girls Makeup Toy Kit 3 Plus. She already opened it. She loved it. And she's obsessed with it. And she keeps wanting to play with it. So I have to hurry up and make this video because I wanted to talk about it. It's from Amazon. I'll figure out how to post the link because I don't know if I can post it in the comments or caption or my bio. I don't know how this all works, but we'll figure it out. So it comes with, this is not sponsored in any way either, just to let everybody know. It comes with some weird information on what is in it. And then this DIY makeup dress-up booklet. It literally has, okay, I don't want that, like, makeup designs for, like, certain princesses, animals, there's a butterfly too, Rapunzel and the Queen of Hearts, all that kind of stuff. That was pretty cool. And then something to authenticate it with Amazon. I don't know. But anyway, it comes in like bubble wrap and everything. But let me see if I can slide this out now. Nothing is in the little containers anymore because it's, obviously, like I said, it's open. So I'm hoping I didn't just make a mess of this whole thing. So this is what it looks like. It's like the hot pink one or something like that. It comes in multiple colors. So these are all the colors they come in. Oh. And then we're going to open this up. Oh my god. Oh. So, okay. Actually, you know what? I think the best thing is I'm just going to take it all out. And then I'm just going to show everyone on camera. They're like glitter, gel, gloss, eyeshadow. She put it on her eyes. So, and then this is a blush. I'm like, look how cute that is. Right? And these made her cheeks pink. So, yes, it still works. This makeup all works. It's not fake makeup. I do have to say, the lipsticks, I swear, are better than my own. Here's one. And I love how they're like little bullet lipsticks. It makes me think of a MAC. Okay, so I put this one on. I'll insert a picture at some point here. Ed. This is her favorite. It's a lip gloss. Yep. Kind of glittery. But you can feel the glitter. I don't know why she liked it so much. I'm not like that. But then she's got these rings. That is also a lip color. The same color though. But yeah. These are the eyeshadows, and they're actually very vibrant, and I do have to say there's no fallout. I'm like, damn, her makeup is better than mine. Anyway. But that's all her makeup. Or eyeshadows, I should say. I'm turning it because of the glare. This morning, after she opened it, she wanted this color on. It's like a burgundy brown. Let's see. So much. So pretty. And they're soft. They're not powdery. It also comes with a foundation powder. There we go. Okay. It comes with a foundation powder. I'll get to something about this in a minute. Because it comes with a beauty blender, a puff, an empty spray bottle. I'm going to assume you put like water or something in it and they just spray it on their face to pretend. Okay, so obviously a lip brush. There's two of them actually. Okay, this makeup eyeshadow applicator that we all know from our childhood. This is what I used to put on her eyeshadow today because she asked me to. This little tiny brush, I'm using my forehead as a background. And it's very dense too. I'm going to assume this is eyeliner. It didn't say it. The box says eyeliner. But it's a very sharp pencil. You can see. It is kind of hard, so you have to give them a little minus for that because it is sharp and scratchy. But it does smudge very easily, but still there's a line. And there's no mascara at all, but there is the separator and the eyebrow brush. At least I use it for an eyebrow. Another eyeshadow brush. There we go. The tips are pink. It's so cute. And this face brush. So I was going to talk about that powder for the face. This doesn't work for it. Nothing happened. It didn't come out. So I used the puff and it actually worked. And then for the blush, I used the brush and her cheeks got really pink. Really pink. And then I just used this and like tried to blend it out, I guess. But anyway, her favorite thing. Oh, yeah, it comes with a compact brush. I actually had a blue one of these when I was younger. And I took with me to school. 3 nail polishes. Got like a red, orange, a pink, and a purple. A toe separator. And it's rainbow. Nail file. It's the same rainbow. Okay, this is what got me. It comes with fake nails. Press-on nails. They're so cute. They're so cute. I don't know about her putting them on. And then these nail stickers. And then these decorative stickers for her nails. These don't fit her. I don't want to try putting them on her. I did put one on her. She didn't like it at all. Back in, once you have everything back in, literally, it's so cool because I have one of these. Close, like a real makeup box. So that is the makeup kit. I love this color. And now I have to go give it back to her because she really wants to play with it. And I just wanted to show you before she destroyed it. Because she was about to. But that's okay. It's hers. If there's any updates on what it does to her skin or anything, I'll make sure I leave it in the comments section. And I'll somehow get the link for it down below. So, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.